everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix DNS server not responding on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix DNS server not responding on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just press Windows plus R key, then type ncpa.cpl. Hit enter. Select your Ethernet, right click on that, click on property, click on TCP IP4, double click on that. Here you have to set this DNS as 8.8.8.8, then 8.8.4.4. After setting this, just click OK, click on OK, then close this window. Then go to the second method, type here cmd, right click on that, click on run as administrator. Here you need to type some commands one by one. First command is ipconfig space //DNS. Hit enter. After that you have to type again ipconfig /register DNS. Hit enter. Then type the third command ipconfig space /release. Hit enter. Then type the fourth command ipconfig space /renew. Hit enter. Then type the final command netsh space winsock reset. Winsock space reset. Hit enter. After completion of this, you have to just close this command and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix DNS server not responding on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.